Hi, another great new feature from Canva, this time on presentations. You can now present offline, which is fantastic. So you don't have to have the internet when you do your presentations, but can also still have a lot of the special effects that you get on Canva. Let me go over to my screen and show you how. This is a standard presentation I found. I thought it was rather cute. Go back to home, because this is where you set up your offline presentation options. With my menu, go back to home. And this is my new presentation. And if I click on the three dots and drop that down, and you can see here it says Enable Offline Presenting. I'm going to click on that. Now, obviously, I can't go offline while I'm trying to record, but now I've enabled it for offline presentation. I can click on this. Now, if I go to present, you can see it gives me different options for these. All my instructions, so I can move around here. That's just skipping through all the pages. And along here are all the things I used to be able to do. So I can zoom in and out, 100%, all of which I could do in Canva, but haven't been able to do when it's offline. I can draw on the page. I won't do that. I'm no good at drawing, as I've always told you. And here you get your magic shortcuts, which I love. So I can blur the screen, unblur it, go back to another magic shortcut. I can ask for quote. And you can see the alt codes for these as well. I can add bubbles. And it's just lovely that you can have these while you're offline. Confetti, a drum roll. And I can go to the end. It's so easy to click through as well. I can go back to my magic shortcuts, have a curtain call, and do a mic drop. So you can get all of those. And if I clear, I just thought it'd be really useful for you to see how an offline presentation works and that you can still have all the fantastic Canva features while presenting offline. I hope that helps, and I hope you'll be able to use it in future. If you found this video useful and you want to know what else is coming up with Canva, then please click the link below and you'll know when I'm recording again.